January 28, 2008. This is the Wyoming Temple. We're not sure why this boat is out here half submerged, but they must have left it there for the tourists to photograph. This is the Lahaina store. It was opened for business in 1916. And it's one of the first buildings in Lahaina to have an elevator. This is the Baldwin House. This is the home of the first Protestant missionary to Hawaii in 1834. Pioneer Inn, and it's the oldest building hotel in Maui, downtown Lahaina. This is the banyan tree in downtown Lahaina. It's a Lahaina historic site. It takes up the whole block. And there is the courthouse right alongside of it. And this is the old fort ruins right here.
You're going to want a fake one.
Downtown Lahaina. Here's the other side of the park, facing the banyan tree downtown. And the courthouse to the left, and the ocean to the left of that. Here we are, AJ, on the sugar cane. Definitely a steam train, AJ.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Lahaina and Polynesian Pacific, we'd like to welcome aboard the train. Sorry, we have Larry. In the coaches with us, we're going to meet our ticket agent pretty soon. That's Tom. He'll be by to take care of tickets. He marks them one time in each direction so we can keep track of everybody. And my name is Terry. I'll be your conductor and narrator this afternoon. We do make one stop on the way. We have an automatic steam engine blended train. We'll be taking on water at Kaanapali Station. We cross two golf courses. That takes us down to the Pamakhead Trestle, or wooden bridge. The bridge was built for us in 1969. It is 325 feet long and 31 feet tall. While we cross the trestle, we blow some steam out of the engine on the right side. Side toward the ocean. It doesn't last very long, so if you want a photo, you need to have your camera ready. Our locomotive this afternoon is Anaka. Anaka was built during World War II by the H.K. Porter Company, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. First sold to the Carbon Limestone Company in Ohio. We bought it in 1969 and shipped it back to Pennsylvania to the Keystone Line Rail Company, where they refurbished it a little bit, changed the configuration somewhat, shipped it to Hawaii. Been on the job here ever since.
Getting some water, AJ.
Watch this red thing too, it'll go up and down. They all have the water.
reach over there just a little bit. I'll open
I'm
the door.
sorry.
That's all right. Stand right up here. Stand right. Perfect. Right there. Stop right there. That's Chantel. You waited, Chantel.
She's got a tough job.
You like the trains?
Right there.
Pretty
Very
neat,
good.
huh?
Right there.
It's old time.
Wave at Chantel.
It's like they had in the old days.
What's happening here, AJ? It's getting the water.
It's a lot of fun. Watch out, here we go. Woo! You got me really good. Look at how wet.
That old Chantal, she's really a hoot, isn't she? That was an older person's show, not got
It's like I'm the one that gets wet all the time.
Yeah, he gets wet. Well, he's all wet anyway, AJ. It doesn't make any difference. Good job.
Just ahead of us is the Lahaina trestle from the railroad bridge. It was built in 1969. It is 325 feet long and 34 feet tall. Now we cross the trestle, our engineer Chantel shoots the steam out of the right side of the locomotive. Uses the steam pressure to clean the boiler roll down. Makes a nice photo. The trestle itself is 325 feet long and 31 feet tall.
Got you a photo too.
Time of the year we watch for whales. Now they're a little bit hard to see them, but we know they're out there. We're getting closer and closer to the peak of whale season sometime next month. According to the
Here, AJ, we got another train right here. Okay, Jay, the train is turning. Look at this, A. See the train turning? Look at this. See the steam, A? Turned all the way around. Here it comes now, back now, eh? Here it comes backing into the train, backing into the caboose.